How to invest on ByBit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily invest on ByBit. Well, unfortunately here I'll be unable to show you in detail by doing it because the ByBit itself is restricted in my region and I'm not being able to get around it even after using a VPN. As you can see there on the top of the screen, I'm unable to log in right here because it says my IP address is insecure. So if I open it up here, however, you can see I'm unable to log in here. You can see IP address restricted. However, I'll just be guiding you through. Here now, you can practice demo trading as well. But for you to invest here, what you can do is you can simply head over. If you want to perform spot trading, you'll get the spot option at the bottom of your screen. If you head over to markets, you'll be able to see various options here, so you can simply go ahead and select one and you can add them to favorites as well if you want. Now, so you can see BTC USD. Now this is perpetual here, long term and short term, as you can see. Now, however, once you're logged in, you can simply go ahead and verify your account, right? Once you're verified, you can go ahead and add in your fund. So that is, you'll have to connect your bank account or your card, credit or debit card, through the profile at the top, and then you can go ahead and head over there. And once you have done so, you can go ahead and buy crypto. Now it's only showing you a spot option here, but you'll get the option to buy crypto. If you want, you can invest it on crypto there. If you want, you can invest it on spot trading. Now, before doing so, however, I'll suggest you to perform demo trading. Now make sure you're logged in and head over to demo trading option, and you can practice demo trading. And once you're perfect with the app, how it works and such on the wallet, then you can go ahead and invest. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.